Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own WhatsApp channel. Now with WhatsApp, I've been able to make thousands to millions of Naira online. And I've also taught students on how they can do the same. If you want to learn how you can make money with your WhatsApp, check the link under this video to get started. So my name is Sola Mathew, and if this is the first time that you are coming to my YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe so that you can get more videos like this. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open your WhatsApp. For some strange reasons, I don't know if this has now worked on WhatsApp business, but at the moment I'm using the normal WhatsApp. So once you're here, all right, just go to update. Now, normally this update is where you will see WhatsApp status, so these are some of the WhatsApp statuses that I have. But under it, now I'm using an Android device at the moment. So under it, you'll see channels, all right? You see different channels. Now, if this doesn't work for you, all right, check the link in the description and then you go and join the waitlist. For some strange reason, sometimes if you click on that join waitlist, you might see where to create your own channel. So, but in this case, right, once you get to update, then you see channels and then you click on this plus button. All right, now let me use this to mark it. So you click on this plus button, okay? So once you click on the plus button, it's going to show you create channel. All right, so just click on create channel. So it's going to bring this create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history. People see your channel, not you. You're responsible for your channel. All right, so I don't know why WhatsApp didn't allow people or doesn't allow people to kind of choose if they want to make their channel private or public. Maybe because they are just starting and they want to promote it. Because on Telegram that they are copying at the moment, that I believe they are copying, they have public and private channels. Do you understand what I mean? So everyone's channel at the moment are public. So you just click on continue if you are satisfied with that, and then you name your channel. So in this case, I'm going to just name this the Sola Mathew channel. So let's say Sola Mathew. All right. So, or if you like, you might not even put channel there. Just make it Sola Mathew. And then the description, which I believe you can change later. So I just say, so it's very simple. I just wrote, learn the digital skills to pursue your dreams and live a life of freedom. Right, so you can add a picture here for your channel, right? So I'm just gonna click here and then I'll select one of my pictures. All right, so if you click here, you'll be able to select a picture, put a picture. So once you're done with that, just click on create. All right, so that is your channel being created, as simple as that. So what you need to do now is that you can click create a link and then you can copy the link and you can then write a message and send it to whatever you want to send it to grow your channel. Now, let me share with you tips by which you can grow your channel, right? So once you copy this link, you can say something like, oh, join my channel to get latest update on my latest YouTube video or on tutorials, or I'll be teaching people how they can do so. Or how they can make money online, or how they can improve their productivity. So join my channel to learn more. So at the moment, I'm the only, person in this channel. Okay. So now I want to promote my channel. Okay. So this is one of the groups that I have. So I'm going to write something and tell people to join my channel. Okay, guys, so you see what I just wrote and I use it to promote my channel. I just said, hey, I just created my WhatsApp channel. I created a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own channel. I'll be dropping the video later in the channel. Join now so you are first to get the video. So I put the link there, and then I added, I'll also be sharing some valuable content in the channel. Join now so you don't miss out, right? It's very, very simple. I just wrote that content, and you see maybe by the end of today, I will have at least maybe 10 people in the channel, and then the channel will continually grow by the time I start sharing valuable content and keep promoting it. Now, if you don't have an email list, right, this is one way to actually grow more like an email list or a list on your WhatsApp. The disadvantage is that WhatsApp does not have the private channel, so it's not really making sense, because if you don't want some people to join your channel, people will be able to just they'll be able to join it, so anybody can just join your channel. So that is the disadvantage that I see there. But apart from that, it's a good way to generate more people that are interested in you or what you do to join the channel. So if you have any question about this, drop your questions in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer you. And remember, if you want to learn how you can make money with your WhatsApp, okay, there's a link under the description. Just click it, input your name and email, and you're going to get the video sent to you in your email, and you can learn how you can make money with your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to join my WhatsApp channel, I'm going to leave the link below. All right, you can also join my WhatsApp channel. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Bye.